Hello dear friends, today in this video of ours, we will do the fun they had behind class 9 NCERT solutions. We are going to discuss all the exercise questions given in the book Behive class 9. So let's begin without wasting our time. Thinking about the text, it is the main question answer which deals with all the pros that we have discussed in the chapter. It has the question based on that and many more questions arises. But first of all, we should must complete the NCERT question. How old are Margie and Tommy? They are Mother is Margie is 11 years old and Tommy is 2 years ahead, means he is 13 years old to Margie. Margie is 11 years old again and Tommy is 13 years old. This must is a very important question. Now question 2. What did Margie write in her diary? Margie wrote in her diary, today Tommy found a real book. Now third question. Had Margie ever seen a book before? No, Margie had never seen a book before. She has seen many a tele books and PDFs in her book but she hasn't the book that we see. What things about the book did she find strange? The pages were yellow and crinkly. The words still stayed instead of moving, which in telebook. When they turned back to the previous page, it still had the same words on it that it had when they first read it. There is no more manipulation or modification in the words. They stood still, and whatever is printed in that stays. What do you think a telebook is? I think the telebook must be a book or must not is a book get displayed on the screen of the television is a book that gets displayed on the screen of the television. Now question 6. Where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmates? Margie's school was next to her, but I don't know, she didn't have any classmates. She used to do the class alone. So what subject is Margie and Tommy learn? In the chapter given, Margie and Tommy learn geography, history and arithmetic lessons from their mechanical teacher. Now answer the following with reference to the I wouldn't throw it away. Who says this word? What does it refer to? What is being compared with by the speaker? Now let's begin the answer. Tommy says these words. It refers to the books that we have today. The paper book is being compared with the telebooks by the speaker Margie. Margie and Tommy whatsoever. Now, sure they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. Who do they refer to? What do regular mean here? What is it contrasted with? Means what is being compared or something contradicting with it. They refers to the students centuries ago. Regular means the usual for the people in 2157. Here regular teacher means the mechanical teacher. The mechanical teacher is contrasted with the human teacher as of the earlier times, that today we have the human teacher instead of a robotic or mechanical teacher. Again, regular again means now. Write each of these words in a short paragraph, about 30 words. What kind of teacher Margie and Tommy had? What kind of teacher Margie and Tommy had? Sure, they had a mechanical teacher. Mechanical teacher had big screens on which the lesson was shown and questions were asked children. The children were taught through computer and television screens. They did not have humans as teachers as we have today. Now I have explained this, but you have to written according to the content. If you want the handwritten notes by me, I will give in the description below. Okay, let's begin. Let's proceed to our another question. Why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? Margie's mother sent for the county inspector because the mechanical teacher of Margie was not functioning properly. It kept giving Margie geography test and Margie was performing worse every time. Margie's mother was concerned and thus sent for the county inspector as her mechanical teacher's level was geared up to a high level. What did he do? Or means what did the county inspector do? Now, county inspector smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. This was his impression. He took the mechanical teacher apart from her. Then he fixed the mechanical teacher. He told Margie that the geography sector of the Margie mechanical teacher was geared a little too quick and that he has slowed it up to an average year 10 level for the girl, for the Margie. This was all he did, and very well it is in the text, because you must be aware of the text in NCERT. They are very much useful and would be a very scoring point or a strategy for you in the boards also, as well as the exams that this have. Now let's proceed here to our another question. Why was Margie doing badly in geography? What did the county inspector do to help her? What do you think? What did the Margie was doing badly because it is clear that her level was geared up and the question were displayed on the screen were too quick for her. It means it was too high level for her. Being a child, she couldn't solve that much. It was quite a standard level concept based on the geography questions, not a basic level which she was learning at that age of 10. Now, what had once happened to Tommy's teacher? Tommy's teacher had to be taken away together for a month as the history sector had blanked out completely. And so Margie was also thinking that this might took place with her so that she could enjoy without studying from that ugly mechanical teacher and giving that geography test. Did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? This is question 6. Now, yes, Margie had regular days and hours for school because Margie's mother believed that little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours. This was Margie's mother's concern for her daughter to be a good educated one, to learn the lessons properly, to have a proper strategy. How does he describe the old kind of teachers? Means here Tommy. He tells Margie that old kind of teachers were human instead of machines. And they too taught the children's a lesson of life. Now let's stop. He tells Margie that the old kind of teachers were human instead of mechanical teacher or the robot that they were having as a teacher. The human teacher would educate the boys and girls lessons of life instead just focusing on the storage lessons that it kept. इट इज़ हियर दैट समझो ये कि मैकेनिकल टीचर जो है उसके पास तो जो स्टोर्ड है वही वो लेसन देगा, ना बाहर का ना मॉरल लेसन दे सकता है जो कि एक ह्यूमन टीचर दे सकते हैं. ह्यूमन टीचर अफेक्शन भी शेयर कर सकते हैं. ये बहुत अच्छा रहेगा, ये लिखोगे तो अफेक्शन शेयर करते थे और बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. सो और लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आंसर जो है वो हम अगली वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे. ये टू बी कंटिन्यूड रहेगा. थैंक यू. और प्लीज़ यार लाइक शेयर कर दो, अच्छा लगा तो चमका ना सब. तो इतनी सी मेहनत के प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर कर दो और सब्सक्राइब कर दो. प्लीज़ प्लीज़ प्लीज़. और प्लीज़ वॉच टिल द एंड.